YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today's going to be mostly just a POV. I am super under the weather, so it's going to be rough. So I'm probably just going to be just gassing it, getting little clips of me gassing it here and there. Holy! Sounds crazy. Oh my god. I need to get a full exhaust system, dude. But just the exhausts are so expensive, dude. It's crazy. Actually, it just sounds so crazy right now, dude. Like, I literally cannot imagine going with the full catback. Like, that's gonna sound crazy. Oh my. Like, I would just delete the mufflers on this exhaust, but living in California, dude, I need mufflers. When it doesn't pop, so unsatisfying. Oh my goodness, my whole phone just bounced, dude. The torque in this car is actually crazy. It's crazy how like smooth it is too, though. I'm honestly impressed. Yeah, soon I gotta make a video on getting new tires, because dude, these tires are freaking bald. Hope you guys have been enjoying this M5, because I don't know about you guys, I freaking love this thing. And I think as long as I keep grinding and keep growing, making more money, I really do want to like rebuild this whole entire engine and definitely boost it a little bit. I just don't know how I'm gonna pass like smog checks and stuff when that time comes, but I guess we'll just have to figure out when that time comes. But yeah, dude, I would love to boost this car, just make it like the most aggressive BMW you can ever hear or whatever. Dude, like, I just want the most aggressive freaking sounding BMW. Oh my goodness. The one thing I do love about driving the Hellcat though is the supercharger whine. Like, I love the turbos on this car, but I also freaking love supercharger. Honestly, I think that's the main reason why Hellcats are so amazing, just because of the supercharger whine. But so far, boys, I'm staying quiet on side hustles, because until I have 6 months of consistency, I don't want to talk about it. But this week was probably one of the best weeks. When it comes down to my side hustle, one of the best weeks I've had so far. So we're gonna see how it goes for the next 6 months. You know, I'm gonna keep grinding out. You know, like I said, this whole point of this like side hustle is just so I can buy even more cars. Honestly. Dude, those turbo spools are crazy. Man, bro, being under the weather sucks. I finally feel better. Today I finally feel better, but dude, it's been horrible, dude. It's been freaking horrible. Like, my fever was so bad yesterday, it was unbelievable, honestly. Oh my goodness. I love California, bro. I just wish the politics were a little bit better here. Taxes here sucks. Obviously, like, you could do things, you can invest and all that stuff, all that bullcrap, but dude, just even like property tax here sucks. That's honestly the main reason why I don't even want to buy a house, dude. The property tax, like for example, if you buy like a house for 700K, you're paying each year about 15K worth of, oh my goodness, dude. Each year you're paying about 15K worth of taxes. Just straight tax, property. Not including HOA. Like, bro, I'm not paying 15K for just taxes alone. I might as well just buy a car at this point, which is exactly what I did. And to buy like a decent house, even like a 2-bedroom, is like 500, 600K. So how much I pay for this car yearly, bro, is how much I'm gonna freaking pay for property tax alone. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not doing that. I hope all you guys can get this car one day. Just keep grinding, guys. This is, like I said, bro, any blue collar job can get you this, but make sure you just do more than just personal, please, guys. Do more than just personal, trust. Dude, my next goal after this is like either like a RS7, but if I ever buy like whatever car I buy next to, that is like, that means that I'm doing really freaking good, because like whatever I have now, it's not a problem, you know what I mean? And honestly, I don't want any other car. I really don't need any other car, but just mostly for YouTube, I need to keep growing, you know what I mean? Because I feel like the only way to grow on YouTube is it's like almost survival of the fittest, dude. Survival of who has the most cars, or who has the most growth, you know what I mean? Dude, that's crazy. Dude, I don't know why, like today, I guess after all the rain, it's just such a vibe. Like, the air smells so fresh. During the summer, it's not like this, dude. Dude, that's just too smooth, bro. Way too smooth. The Hellcat feels freaking crazy. I cannot believe this exhaust sounds this good with just downpipes. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. You guys already know this street. This is my favorite freaking street. Especially in the Hellcat, dude. It's crazy. Like, how much louder can this car get? Because, you know, downpipes should do a lot. I need to tune this car, dude. I need to eventually tune this car and get freaking like, make it pop like really loud, dude. Porsche. Yeah, why do catbacks have to be so expensive for M5s, man? I'll probably get one like after I come back from Germany. Oh my goodness. My car is so loud, dude. Like I said, boys, I still need to get a catback on this. It's actually insane. That's actually insane. I love this car just for that, bro. I cannot believe, how is this a stock exhaust, dude? This is crazy. But don't worry, boys. Dude, what? Dude, what is this? This looks like a freaking whole different world, bro. Everything's so vibrant, it's insane. I love it, dude. I freaking love it. That's crazy. This is literally the best freaking streets to do this. Oh my goodness. Boys, imagine one day with the SVJ, that's gonna be crazy. Alright, boys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end the video off. Hope you guys enjoyed this little chill POV, nothing crazy. Under the weather POV, dude, because I feel like crap right now. But if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.